Let me discuss the do's and don'ts of follow-up after a venture funding meeting. After pitching to a VC, your follow-up can make or break the deal. You need to send a thank you mail within 24 hours after the meeting, summarizing key points and addressing any questions that were raised during the meeting. Don't be pushy or don't demand an immediate decision. You need to provide regular updates on significant milestones or traction that your business is generating. Do not spam the venture capitalist with daily emails. You need to be prepared to provide any additional information which was requested, absolute promptly. Do not fabricate progress or exaggerate numbers. You need to maintain a professional yet a personal tone. Do not take silence as rejection. Venture capitalists are busy, but persistence can pay off. Remember, building a relationship with a venture capitalist is a marathon and not a sprint. Your goal is to stay on their radar positively without becoming a nuisance.